Hello people, how are you today? We will learn about linking. My name is Cindy Paola Navarro Sierra. First of all, we will watch a video, okay?
Hello, I'm Sammy and this is part 3 of the Connected Speech series. Connected speech is used when you're speaking quickly and casually, and it helps your American English sound more natural. Today, we'll discuss linking with a vowel sound. When this happens, we pronounce the words as if the consonant sound had a y sound or a w sound in between the vowel sound at the end of the first word and the vowel at the beginning of the second word. So how do you know what happens even if there isn't a y in the spelling? He asked is pronounced like he asked. Again, linking words with the w sound happens even if there isn't a w letter in the spelling. For example, go, vowel linking, and vowel linking. Press pause at each screen to go at your own pace. At the outdoor cafe. Can I have a slice of pizza? Sammy asked. They ordered the food, but when it arrived, Sammy got a whole pizza, not just a slice. Her friends chanted, "Do it! Eat it!" Sammy ate the entire pizza by herself, and they all cheered. That's it for now. Next time, we'll practice T and D tapping. This is when the T sound gets pronounced like a D.
Okay, let's continue with some practice. Scan the code and work on it. Listen and write the linking you hear. Listening 1, listening 2, listening 3, listening 4. Let's listen listening number 1.
Christmas Eve. Ben and Melissa are getting ready for Christmas. Ben and Melissa's house has lots of lights on the roof. The lights are many colors. Inside, they listen to Christmas music. Ben and Melissa drink eggnog. Eggnog tastes good. Ben and Melissa hang stockings on the fireplace. They string popcorn. Ben and Melissa put the popcorn string on the Christmas tree. They put Christmas lights on the tree. They put tinsel on the tree. Ben and Melissa put ornaments on the tree. They put a star on top of the tree. They get ready for Santa Claus. They leave milk and cookies for Santa. Ben opens one present. Melissa opens one present. They go to sleep. Ben and Melissa wake up early. They run downstairs. There are a lot of presents under our tree. They wake up their mom and dad. Ben and Melissa open their presents. They love our presents. Everyone cleans up the wrapping paper. It is time for breakfast.
minutes later. Let's check out the correct linking. Okay. Christmas Eve. Put ornaments. Put a star. Are a lot. Wake up. Cleans up. Iris. Let's practice. Step 1. Scan here. Step 2. Make a drawing about the story. Listen. There is a dragon which lives in a tree. Every day the king sits under the dragon's tree. He reads the story to the dragon. Repeat. There is a dragon which lives in a tree. Every day a king sits under the dragon's tree. He reads a story to the dragon. Once more time. There is a dragon which lives in a tree. Every day a king sits under the dragon's tree. He reads a story to the dragon. For example, the drawing and step 3. Continue the story and record it as in the sample. I will give you the feedback by mail. Thank you. Bye bye.